Hello and welcome to the Blackstone Solicitors YouTube channel, your friendly legal experts helping you plan for life's big decisions. In today's video, we're looking at something that's becoming more and more popular: how to make a lasting power of attorney online and what you need to know before you hit submit. Yes, you can make an LPA online, but should you? Let's get one thing clear. Yes, you absolutely can make a lasting power of attorney, or LPA, online using the gov.uk service. It's free to use, fairly straightforward, and lets you complete the paperwork digitally before printing it out to sign. But just because it's online doesn't mean it's easy, and mistakes can be costly. Just to recap, an LPA is a legal document that lets you appoint someone you trust to make decisions on your behalf if you lose capacity. There are two types. 1. Property and Financial Affairs LPA for things like managing your bank accounts or selling your home. And 2. Health and Welfare LPA for decisions about your care, treatment, and where you live. Now, let's talk about how the online process works. Step by step making an LPA online. Here's how the gov.uk system works in a nutshell. Step 1. Create an account. Head to www.gov.uk/power-of-attorney and set up an account. You'll need your personal details and access to a printer later on. Step 2. Choose your attorneys. Decide who you want to act for you. This could be a family member, friend, or a professional, and you can have more than one. Step 3. Add instructions and preferences. This part allows you to say how you want your attorneys to act. Be specific, but not too complex. Confusing instructions can cause the LPA to be rejected. Step 4. Add a certificate provider. This is someone who confirms you understand what you're doing and aren't under pressure. They can't be a family member or one of your attorneys. And Step 5. Print, sign and post. Once completed, the form must be printed, signed in a very specific order, and sent to the Office of the Public Guardian for registration. It usually takes 8 to 10 weeks to register, and there's a fee of £82 per LPA. Watch out for these common mistakes. Here's where things can go wrong. Forms signed in the wrong order, missing witnesses, incorrect wording in instructions, choosing the wrong type of attorney setup, like joint versus jointly and severally, using TIP-X or handwritten amendments, and forgetting to include a replacement attorney. All of these can delay your application, or even invalidate it completely. Why use a solicitor instead? The online system is fine for straightforward cases. But if your situation is even slightly complicated, or you want peace of mind that it's legally sound, using a solicitor is the smart move. If you'd rather not wrestle with legal forms and risk rejection, we're here to help. Whether you've started the online LPA and got stuck, or you'd prefer to do it properly with expert advice, get in touch with Blackstone Solicitors. If this video helped, give us a like, hit subscribe and tap the bell so you don't miss our future legal tips.